Today I am reviewing the Tineco Floor 1 S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are anything like me, keeping your hard floors truly clean can feel like an endless cycle of frustration. You sweep, you vacuum, then you drag out a heavy bucket and a soaking wet mop that basically just pushes dirty water around the room. It takes forever, it leaves streaks, and honestly, who has the time for that? Well, today we are looking at a machine that promises to completely eliminate that multi-step nightmare and revolutionize your entire cleaning routine. This is the Tineco Floor 1 S5 Smart Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop. It's a premium, 2-in-1 cordless machine designed specifically to vacuum and wash your hard floors at the exact same time. We are talking about tackling wet messes, dry debris, sticky spills, and stubborn pet hair all in a single pass. In this review, we're going to break down everything you need to know, from its smart sensing tech to its maintenance routine. Let's get right into it. Let's start by talking about what actually makes this machine smart, because it's a lot more than just a marketing buzzword. The Floor 1 S5 comes equipped with Tineco's proprietary iLoop smart sensor technology. As you glide the machine across your floors, the iLoop sensor is actively detecting exactly how much dirt, dust, or sticky residue is on that specific patch of flooring. The moment it senses a heavier mess, it automatically adjusts its suction power, water flow rate, and brush roller speed on the fly to blast through the grime. You can visually see this happening in real time thanks to the gorgeous, bright digital display on top of the unit. The display features a dynamic LED ring that changes color based on your floor's cleanliness. When the ring is red, it means it has detected a heavy mess and the machine is kicking in a high gear. As you push it forward and the area becomes clean, the ring instantly transitions to a solid blue. This completely removes the guesswork from cleaning, telling you exactly when the job is done while optimizing battery efficiency. Now, let's talk about actual cleaning performance, because the Floor 1 S5 features a cutting-edge brush roller design that addresses one of the biggest complaints people have with older wet-dry vacuums: edge cleaning. Tineco specifically engineered the brush head casing to be ultra-slim on one side, allowing the brush roller to glide almost perfectly flush against your baseboards and right into hard-to-reach corners. It ensures a uniform clean across your entire room without leaving that frustrating unclean strip along the walls. And because the suction power is so highly optimized, it instantly draws up the dirty moisture as it passes. Your floors are left completely dry, streak-free, and safe to walk on within mere minutes, whether you have premium hardwood, tile, laminate, or luxury vinyl plank. One of the most important upgrades on the Floor 1 S5 compared to previous generations is the capacity of its water tanks. Tineco made the clean water tank a massive 30% larger than older models, which means you can clean much larger open spaces or multiple rooms without constantly having to stop and refill. Furthermore, the S5 utilizes an advanced dual tank system that completely separates the clean water from the dirty water. The clean water tank constantly feeds fresh water and Tineco's specialized cleaning solution directly onto the rotating brush roller. Simultaneously, the powerful motor sucks the dirty water and debris off the floor and deposits it into an entirely separate tank. Unlike a traditional mop that pushes dirty water around, the S5 guarantees you are scrubbing with 100% fresh water from start to finish. If you have kids or pets, this machine is an absolute lifesaver for sticky messes and shed fur. Instead of using a roll of paper towels or ruining a traditional mop on spilled milk, dropped raw eggs, or muddy paw prints, you just push the S5 right over the spill to drink up the liquid and scrub away the residue. For pet owners, the S5 effortlessly traps hair against the wet roller and pulls it straight into the vacuum inlet. To make things even better, Tineco integrated a custom pet hair strainer right inside the dirty water tank. When you go to empty it, this strainer catches all the fur and solid debris, so you can easily dump into the trash can without clogging your sink or creating a mess. When you're finally done cleaning your home, the absolute last thing you want to do is spend another 15 minutes washing out your equipment. Thankfully, Tineco built a completely hands-free, one-press self-cleaning cycle directly into this machine. Once you are finished, you simply place the Floor 1 S5 onto its compact, 3-in-1 docking station, press the self-cleaning button, and the machine instantly takes over. It automatically flushes clean water and solution through the inner tubing and violently spins the brush roller to clear out any trapped dirt or hair. Once the wash cycle is complete, the S5 utilizes high-speed centrifugal drying, spinning the roller at extreme speeds to effectively sling the moisture out of the brush fibers. This prevents dampness and significantly reduces the chance of mold, mildew, or sour odors developing while it sits on the dock. To keep this machine running like an absolute dream for years to come, there are just a few simple maintenance tips. When you empty out the dirty water tank, take a quick second to wipe down the detection pins inside the tank. This ensures the machine always reads the water levels accurately and prevents any false tank full alarms. Lastly, to maintain maximum suction stability, just pop out the filter and HEPA once a month, give them a quick rinse with cold water, and let them dry completely before putting them back in. To wrap everything up, the Tineco Floor 1 S5 is an absolute triumph of home appliance design. By beautifully marrying a powerful hard floor vacuum with an intelligent, self-adjusting mop, Tineco has cut floor chore times completely in half. It turns a dreaded weekly chore into an absolute breeze. If you are ready to retire your old broom, vacuum, and dirty mop bucket for a single, future-proof device, the Tineco Floor 1 S5 should be at the absolute top of your list. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button, subscribe for more smart home reviews, and drop a comment below letting me know your thoughts. Have an amazing day, and I will see you all in the very next video.